Hello, you guys. Good afternoon. I am back with another job opportunity. Um, Today we will be discussing, well, we have two jobs. This one is Optum. It's with United Health Group. And the job role is customer service representative, national remote. And it starts at $16 an hour through $23 per hour, $23.51 per hour as a full-time job position. And you can apply throughout the website, and I will post the website below in the job description in the description box um, very soon. And the education and the certifications you need for this job is pharmacy technician certifications and a pharmacy technician's license. And the benefits for this job is a 401k plan and 401k matching as well, and a flexible schedule. The full job description, you'll enjoy the flexibility to telecommute from anywhere within the U.S. as you take on some tough challenges. Optum RX is an empowering place for people with the flexibility to help create change. Innovation is a part of the job description, and passion for improving the lives of our customers is a motivating factor in everything we do. If you're ready to talk about groundbreaking interactions, let's talk about what happens when a firm that touches millions of lives decides to gather results from millions of prescriptions every month and analyze their impact. Let's talk about smart, motivated teams. Let's talk about more effective and affordable health care solutions. This is caring. This is great chemistry. This is the way to make a difference. We're doing all this and more through a great dedication to our shared values of integrity, compassion, relationships, innovation, and performance. Join us and start doing your life's best work. As a customer service representative, your role will be to assist in answering both provider and patient inbound phone calls. Conduct outbound phone calls to patients to include, but is not limited to, collecting initial information as well as assist in coordinating the delivery of medication. This position is full-time Monday to Friday. Employees are required to work our normal business hours, which is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It may be necessary, given the business need, to work occasional overtime or weekends. All telecommuters will be required to adhere to UnitedHealth Group's telecommuter policy. Primary responsibilities: problem solve with decisiveness and urgency and escalate to operations partners, team leads, management, and other stakeholders. Ensure patients and providers are supported by following escalations through to finish. Works as a liaison with operations partners, letting them know of any patient or practice issues concerns. Enters notes information into pharmacy processing system. Respond professionally and appropriately to team members who have not followed procedures or process and provide examples of process. Focus on patient care and quality assurance. Promote and educate on Optum tools, patient portal, provider portal, Optum connections, and etc. Ability to work flexible schedules, hours. All other duties are assigned. You'll be rewarded and recognized for your performance in an environment that will challenge you and give you clear direction on what it takes to succeed in your role, as well as provide development for other roles you may be interested in. Required qualifications: high school diploma, GED, or higher, 1 year of customer service experience, basic knowledge in Microsoft Outlook, Excel, and Word, general knowledge of pharmacy laws and practices and procedures, knowledge of insurance and third-party billing system, ability to work an 8-hour shift Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Preferred qualifications: pharmacy technician license or ability to obtain if required by state law. Experience in pharmacy or healthcare. Experience with a complex pharmacy system, national pharmacy technician certification, current and in good standing, and telecommuting requirements. Required to have a dedicated work area established that is separated from other living areas and provides information privacy. Ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure if applicable. Must live in a location that can receive a UnitedHealth Group approved high-speed internet connection or leverage an existing high-speed internet service. And the soft skills, ability to manage multiple tasks and set priorities, ability to establish and execute action plans, ability to share your past successes, a strong business acumen, and ability to make good judgments. Excellent interpersonal skills, ability to be diplomatic when faced with conflict and always communicate in a professional and courteous manner, ability to produce quality results with a detail-oriented focus, a professional demeanor and courteous attitude. United Health Group requires all new hires and employees to report their COVID-19 vaccination status, and military and veterans are welcome to apply to United Health Group, United Healthcare Group, and their and the website is here, and it's called Optum as well, United Health Group. So if it sounds like something you would love to do, you can apply. Now, my second job will be PeopleShare, $21 an hour, attempt to hire. It's a remote position, and the job role will be remote customer service representative. And the benefits are health insurance, paid training, work from home. Become a remote customer service representative. Do what you love and hit the ground running on day one. Start your career as a customer service representative today with PeopleShare. PeopleShare is committed to providing all training, onboarding, and state licensing as an investment in the long-term careers of our associates. Details for the customer service representative pay is $21 per hour and incentive opportunities as well. Scheduling is Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. through 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 100% remote. Must reside in the state of Florida. The customer service representative embodies these values: active listening skills, customer-oriented, empathetic, and patient. Excellent verbal, organizational, and written communication skills, detail-oriented, and ability to multitask. Flexibility when it comes to work scheduling. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, is say what is in it for the customer service representative? It's 5 weeks of paid training, comprehensive benefits pay package, and direct hire, 100% work from home. You have to live within Florida, you guys. Within the state of Florida, obtain your health care insurance license at no cost to you. And that's it for this job. They're hiring. It's posted today. And you guys keep going. Keep doing it. You diamonds, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell. Hit the subscribe button. If my current diamonds are here, thank you guys for sticking it out. And the newcomers, thank you guys for coming in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I will see you on the next video.